Hi, this is Tanya from Spotahome. Today I will be showing you an apartment which is whole for rent on West Ferry Road. It's in Canary Wharf area. It's really nice in here. You can easily get in here by bus or by tube or by DLR. So let me show you the apartment. Okay, so this is the main corridor. This big black thing is a wardrobe. It belongs to tenant, so it will be removed from in here. So the first room is the bedroom. It's really cozy. You also have a wardrobe. In here it's really big. You have a big mirror, plenty of storage, double-sized bed. Also you have a heater in here. This apartment has gas heating. Also you have a window that leads to the yard. You have chest of drawers. They're really big too. And one more chest of drawer near the bed and a comfortable chair. Okay, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It's equipped. We have a toilet, we have a bathtub, also we have a shower and a sink and a mirror. We can even switch the lights on, so if you want to apply any makeup, it will be really cool. Also we have a little closet in here. We have a rack to dry your clothes and plenty of space to store your bags from a long trip. Next room is kitchen and living room. It's really bright room. We have a sink in here. Also we have an oven, a stove. We have plates, cups, pretty much everything we need. We have teapot, toaster, and a great red microwave. Actually, that's a really good microwave. I used it once. We have a little table, comfortable sofa. We have a dining table, but be careful, there's no desks. So if you want to work with your notebook, you will be working, I think, at the dinner table. We have a big TV screen, which is also nice. We have many shelves to store books if you are a student. And this is the view to the street. So we can see the bus station over there. It's really close. And also we can see some Canary Wharf skyscrapers. It's really beautiful and it would be amazing at night. And here's the whole living room and your kitchen. So that's it. That was Tanya from Spotahome, London. I hope you like this video and you like this apartment. It's really amazing, cozy. I'm sure you will love it. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. We'll be glad to answer all your questions. This is Tanya. Bye bye.